Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, 1 2 3 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends, okay? And friends, if you want to connect with me, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHA TTA CHARJE 1906, okay? And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends, okay? And friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called what exactly does it means to uh, okay, my friend, in the last video, I have covered the topic called in a way in what way is pride harmful. So this topic I've covered, in what way is pride harmful. And in today's video I'm going to cover the topic called what exactly does it mean to have hope. So this topic I'm going to cover in today's video, friends, okay? And this is 187 number video, friends, okay? It's 187 number video, and the name of the topic is what exactly does it mean to have hope, okay? So I will start. Let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. Hope is not about holding on, it is about letting go. So it is very important statement, friends, okay? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us via Korshet Bhavnagri that hope is not about holding, means many a time we think that we keep on holding something, that yes, I this thing will happen in my life, this thing will happen. No, it is not like that. It is about letting things go. It is about thinking, yes, the thing is going to happen in my life and it will happen, then forget it. So it is basically hope which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. This may be a strange concept for you because the expression normally used is hold to hope. So, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that this concept may be completely strange for us, because generally in this earth plane we have a notion that normally holding a particular thing means hope, means a whole lifetime thinking this thing should happen, this thing should happen, this thing should happen, means we are continuously hoping for a thing. But Vipsi and Ratu is telling no, it is completely wrong. It is that means think about something, then letting it go, and definitely God will fulfill our wish, friends, okay? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. Hope is not wrong, but do not hold on to the outcome. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that hope is not wrong, but we should not hold on to the outcome, because we do not know what is outcome. Because in each and every place God says focus on karma, don't focus on fruits, right? Do hard work and leave it, right? And definitely if you have sown the seeds of hard work, you will definitely bear the fruits, friends, okay? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. Hope is not about having fixed expectation. It is about going through the process in a zestful and enthusiastic manner. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that hope is not about having a fixed expectation. No, I did this, I should get this thing back. No, it is about by enthusiastically just continuing in that work, right? So we should not hope, no, why this is not happening or why this should happen. No, just leave it. It will happen one day because God is there, friends, okay? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. In a sense, hope means that a person live positively day by day. So in a way, his hope means a person should be positive in his life day by day. Positively that person should live in his life. So this is the basic meaning of hope, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. And also has faith in the future to keep hope alive. So always we should have faith in future, that yes, this thing is going to happen in future, so that we can, so that our hope becomes alive, friends, okay? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. To keep hope alive is to go through the process of any situation positively. So to keep the hope alive means through the process we should go very positively. We should do hard work. We should do the thing, and we should expect that one day definitely we are going to bear the fruits of this hard work, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari. In the best way you can, and know that God will do what is best for you. So in a way we should know that God is going to do what is best for us, friends, and he will definitely do so. We should keep a positive hope, and we should keep on doing hard work, and we will definitely bear the fruits one day. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. The way you are not attached to the outcome, but you have understood the importance of the purpose. So in a way we should not be attached with the outcome, but we should have understand the importance of the process. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagri. That means we should not think after doing a certain work when we will get bear the fruits, but we should continuously doing our work continuously, friends. Okay. For example, if I say that yeah, I'm making YouTube videos, so I should not think how I'm not getting views, I'm getting 1 2 view, why to make. No, just keep on doing it. One day, today or tomorrow, you're going to get views, people will watch it, people will appreciate it. It's so nice, no? So in this way we should keep on working. So this is the way we should continue in the process, but not get demotivated by not getting the result instantly, friends. Okay. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagari. The ego only knows how to cling on the outcome. So our ego only knows how to cling the outcome. So to tell why you're doing this you're not getting result, leave it, leave it, leave. So this is basically ego. And surrender, on the other hand, is a natural function of the subconscious mind. So our subconscious mind function is naturally surrender, friends. Okay. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagari. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's video, I've covered the topic called how exactly does it means to have hope, friends. Okay. So in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called how does one deal with the ego, friends. Okay. So friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya1906. I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMNYUBHATTACHAJ1906. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and be well, be blessed, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay, take care. I'll meet you in the next video.